What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. So I decided we'd start it off in my room instead of my garage today. So got another mod for you guys for the G37. So we're gonna be doing a conversion kit for the taillights today. So what it's actually gonna end up doing is converting the old LED tail lamps into kind of a more modern appearance. So using the actual taillight module instead of just the old LED tail light. So here I'll show you. So I'm just letting the car warm up right now. It's been in storage for a little while. I try to start it up like at least like maybe 2 times a month or something, maybe every couple of weeks, just to make sure everything's working alright. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let it warm up, and then we'll get into the video. Show you guys what the difference is within the taillights. Okay. We can get a bit of an autofocus on there. So that is essentially what we're gonna go for. Just gonna go from the kind of the OEM look to something more modern. So essentially what the kit's gonna end up doing is getting rid of this and actually using all the LEDs as your turn signals. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is end up actually removing this plastic piece that comes in the back of the car. So it just snaps right off, so I've already done that. Snap that guy right off. And if you guys can see, it has like these little plastic pieces. Yeah, this guy right here, and there's another one on the other side that we're gonna pop off, and then we're pretty much right to the light. Alright guys, so once you use the flathead screwdriver, you're pretty much able to pull these little nubs right out, and pretty cheap even if you end up destroying them, but luckily I didn't destroy any. So now as you guys can see, the module is exposed. So what we're going to do is just disconnect this wire and then take the wire, and it's pretty much straight, just plug and play. So once we hook it up, it should work right away. So let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so once you have the clip detached from the back, so all you're going to do is just plug and play. So disconnect this, connect it to both sides, and you're ready to go. Oh, that shit looks crisp. Alright guys, so the taillights look pretty good, so just reverse all those steps. So put those plastic pieces back in and then reattach this plastic cover that goes right along there. Alright guys, I thought that was the best place to end the video there, so I hope you guys enjoyed the content. This is kind of a shorter video, so you guys will see a lot more lengthier videos here in the future. Stay tuned, I got a couple of good videos coming out here within the next week or so. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe.